Hey everybody, this is Dave. It's a beautiful day, Friday, 80 degrees in Oklahoma. I'm going to show you a gorgeous Sandpiper Luxury 38 FKOK. So this is actually up over the bed of your truck. Can you believe it? So you get all this extra counter space. Huge fridge. Large microwave. Loads of cabinets and drawers. Small oven because it's on a slide. So you do get a nice 3-burner, even flow cooktop. Does have a beautiful bar here. What's great about this, can you see yourself doing your social media right here while watching television or conversing with everybody in your huge living area? Everything's tucked away up here. Watch this light up. Isn't that amazing? Didn't do it. Didn't do it. There it goes. And so anyway, everything's tucked up there. So right over here you have 2 couches that make out to beds. Do have storage over those. Beautiful valances. There's your recliners. And the other side has left seat also, makes out to a bed. Huge 47-inch fireplace, sound system, and television comes with this unit. Also has a ceiling fan right in the front room. Moving along down the hallway is the bathroom. There's the throne here, porcelain toilet of course. And then breaking this, it comes with a washer and dryer, all installed, and it's in the bathroom. You don't have to worry about it taking up your closet. It does have a huge shower with a stool there. Really nice setup, really tall. Vanity has room on each side, or the lavatory, cabinets, and huge medicine cabinet. Oops, hit my camera again. They have this really pretty light color this year, gorgeous. Do have a separate entrance to this unit, and king size bed with storage over it and at the side and under the window and on the side, and voila, the very front, and it comes with a television also. So you're going to be in, this is a Sandpiper Luxury, and it's luxury. Very nice. A lot of cool lighting in this one, as you can see, but you get a lot of room, and it breaks it up really nice. I'm going to run outside real quick, show the outdoor kitchen. So voila, very nice, very nice. Has a grill that pulls around, but you can use your own. So sharp RV, 6-point auto level system. Everything's enclosed inside. You got this huge drop frame cabinet, cargo area, and right around here, your batteries go there, and then control panel right in there. Has a system water filter and more room here. Battery disconnect right there. Has a solar panel on top also, and there's your controller right there. So yes, very nice 38 FKOK 2022, and it's the Sandpiper Luxury. Interested in seeing more of these, holler at me. I can get you one if you want one. Give me a call or a message.